And
And we are nobody are recording.
that's it. That's it. Hmm? 야, 소녀라, 대포인배.
Depo yin
라서, 언니, 다다케랑 가버려.
tata nga Hamburg la yu.
왜라고? 햄버거라 약 열을 빼.
Hamburg la yak yu mare.
아, 네, 라서. 언니, 다다케랑 키 족모 가버려래.
Tata nge trop po yang Hamburg la yure.
왜요? 계란기 족볼라 프라이빗 젯 열을 빼.
Nge trop po la private jet yu mare.
That's it. 계란기 족볼라 탭 열을 빼.
Trop po la nge trop po la tep mang po yure.
That's it. 빼하고. 라서. 다인다. 공익기 가르치기도.
Should I answer or?
Yes, yes. 공익기도.
Kong ni ki kalaksakituk.
공익기 레까 치기두게.
Mare lekat shikiduk
레까 치기두게 기민두 기두. 연결인다.
kiduk. Kong ki ni
공익기.
niki kong niki leka chikiminduk.
That's 공익기 레까 치기민두. 공익기 칼라사기도. 뭐? 네, 가르치기도.
Kiadang ki chu tonki tonki
Yeah,
tonki duk.
that's it. 계란기 추통기도. That's it. 아고송아. Very good. 아니, 계란기 가르치기에
Nge cha tonki yu.
That's it. 예, 차통기에. That's it. 빼하고. Very good. 성현아. 투지치. That's it. That's it. 빼하고 랍송. 오케이. 야, 너네 달알라인다. 달알라.
Yagila.
달알라 다시 달렉.
Tashi delegila.
니 다다케랑 가파리요.
Hatangi Bangkok layo.
nga. 다다케랑
Nga,
가파리요.
Tata nga Bangkok layo.
That's it. 계란기 족보 뱅콕라 유럽에
Ah, nga Nge Tokpo Bangkok layo.
That's it. Or 유리. That's it. 하고
Yure, yeah.
계란기 족보라 키 유럽에 wowo 키.
Oh, Nge Tokpo la Sakpo la Tokpo Tokpo
계란기
la
족보라 키 유럽에
yeah. Ki is a dog, yeah. Nge Tokpo la Ki Yomare.
That's it. 계란기 족보라 심이 유럽에 мяу 유럽에
Nge Tokpo la Shimiki Yore.
심이 유럽에
Shimi Yore.
That's it. 심이 같이 유럽에 같이 하고 싶으면 how many?
이제 Shimi Kachu, Shimi Ni-yure.
That's it. Shimini yore.
Yure.
Shimi katsu yore. Shimini yore. That's it. Huh? And darala kirang kane yin.
Herang Bangkok ni yin.
Nga Bangkok ne mare. Nga pyo ne re. Kirang kane yin.
Herang kan ni yin.
Huh?
Dạ, nghe Bangkok ni yin.
Nge mare nga. Kirang kane yin.
À, nga Bangkok ni yin.
That's it. Kirang North Korea ne mare pe.
Mare, nghe North Korea, nghe North Korea ni mare, nghe Bangkok ni yin.
Nge mare nga. You missed that. How goes nga? Kerang kane yin.
Dạ, nga.
Kerang North Korea ne yin pe. Like this. Yankyap sungtang.
Yang ke sung khang, yes. Nga Bangkok, nga Korea, vô mare, nga Bangkok ni yin.
Nga Korea ne mare. Nga Bangkok ne yin or re. Like this. How goes me? Okay?
Yes. Mhm.
Kerang ki chokme ming karere.
Nghe Choco Minh Bangkok vô rể.
Mare. Ming karere. Kerang ki chokpe ming.
Choco Minh, yes. Nghe Choco Minh Bangkok ni yin.
Mare. Ming karere. Ming. Kerang ki chokpe ming karere. Nge chokpe ming. Oh, Nima re. Like this.
Okay. Kare re, not kane, kare. Okay. Nghe Choco Minh Choco, nghe Choco Minh Suchat ne re.
Karis sucha re.
Re, Suchat re.
Agosuma. Kerang ki chokpe ming. Brad Pitt marupe.
Mare. Nghe Choco Minh Brad Pitt mare. Nghe Choco Minh Suchat ne.
That's
Suchat re.
suchak re. That's it. Suchak pure pumore.
Suchat me Suchat Bangkok me re.
Suchak pu re pumore transgender re LGBTQ.
Um, Su- Suchat pure.
That's it. Agosuma. Paya.
Suchat pure.
That's it.
Ye LGBT re.
Na. Agosuma. Okay.
Ako so
That's it. Paya. 다 달아나인다. 콩키 가르치기도.
공기 가르치기 공기 음 레카 체키도
아, 콩키 레까 체기두게 야나 차통기두게 가르치기도. 콩키 가르.
공기 차 통기도
That's it. 콩키 차통기도. 콩키 넷플릭스 따기두게.
아 공기 넷플릭스 넷플릭스 따이도
아, 콩키 넷플릭스 따기두게. 야나 콩키 차통기두게.
아 ngôn nghe nghe hold on nghe chú thắng
말.
also what is also
어. Here the
what is
question.
also
This one. 콩키 가르치기도.
공기 chú thắng thì đủ
주통기도. Oh,
슈퉁기도,
Chathumki.
야, 커피 퉁기도,
That's it. Coffee Tungidu, Cha Tungidu, Chu Tungidu. Anything. How goes on?
아쿠송,
That's it. That's it.
음,
아니, 다다 계란기 가르치기요, 다르라.
어, 계란키, 어, 자, 퉁기도,
얼마나 계란기, 유,
매 계란키, 차 퉁기도, what is that word? Uh, 개차 제기도,
기둑 말이 기유. How goes on?
TU. Okay. Did you
계란기,
ask the you?
유.
Did you ask the you? Okay.
괜히 양결송탕. 계란기
안겨송당.
가르치기요.
Okay. 개차, 제기도,
제기, 유. 기둑 말이. 유.
놓고, 제기유. Okay.
That's how goes on?
하고송.
Learn about this again in little bit. Okay? No problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
도지체.
Mm-hmm.
도지체.
두주체, 두주체.
야, 다 되니 뉴르말라인다. 뉴르말라. 뉴르말라
La,
다시데. 아니 계란 다다
that's
가버려.
tata nga kang palayo.
알레. 계란 다다 사캉라 메베.
Nga sa kang mi,
사캉라.
sa,
네.
sa
양갱.
kang lami.
That's it.
Nga sa kang lami.
That's it. 아니 계란기 족물 민 가르레.
Nghe thuộc mô miếng proi lệ.
알레 모랑 다다 가버려래.
Mô kang palayo.
알레 뭐 캉빠 뱅콕라
Mơ,
이때.
mơ Bangkok layo.
뭐 캉빠 하고서는 뭐 캉빠
Mơ kang pa
뱅콕라.
Bangkok layo.
That's it.
Là
뭐
số.
캉빠 뱅콕라 유 or 뭐 캉빠 뱅콕라 유래. Like this. 하고서는 오케이.
Nó cũng không một.
라슬라소. 아니 계란기 다다 가르치기.
Nga tata bơ kia lục trong sĩ kiyo.
나 말에 나사
Nghe,
니. 응?
nghe tata bơ kia lục trong sĩ kiyo.
That's it. 네 다다 벽에 롭종 치기에 or 네 다다 벽에 종기에
Trong kiyo.
하고서는 very good. 배워. 응? 아니 계란기 족무 다다 가르치기에
Nghe thuộc mơ kare sĩ kiyo hago mà phong.
응? That's it. Very good. 하고 마서. 그봐. 콩니기 가르치기도.
Kong ni ki gesha sĩ kiyo.
That's it. 콩니기 개차식. That's it. 콩니기 레까 치기도게.
Kong ni ki maybe leka sĩ kiyo.
응? 알겠어. 콩니기 넷플릭스 따기두기.
Kong ni ki Netflix taki mintu.
콩니 가네레.
Kong ni ki office lale.
말해. 콩니 가네레. 가네레.
Khani
응?
khani office nele.
응? 콩니 오피스 네데. 올콩니 아시아 내래. 올콩니 유럽
Asia
내래.
này. À,
이제
cô không là.
하고 좀 배워.
Không đi Asia này đi.
That's it. That's it. 투지체 normal. 투지체. That's it. That's it.
Tôi sẽ là
또, 다 되네, 야. 마이라 인다. try chicken 배, 마이라.
ok.
마이라 다시 달래. 계란 대보 임배.
다시 내 뽀이 둘째
그래서 다다 계란 가버려.
가파유. 가 탄다 자판 라유.
알레, 라서. 아니, 김정은 자판라 유럽에.
자탄라.
응?
자탄라 카레?
자판
자판. 김정은 자판 라 말레.
라 유마레 or 유르.
요 말레.
응? 하고서 양결송탕.
아,
김정은 자판라 유럽에.
김정은 자판 라요 말레.
왜요? 자판라 약 유럽에.
Sorry, 자판 라?
자판라 약 유럽에.
자판 라야 요 말레.
응? That's it. 야골랐어. 아니, 야, 계란기 가르치기요. 다다 계란기 가르치기요.
가르치기. 가,
네, 마사네.
네, 게, 롭타라, 체키드.
롭타라 체기요 말해. 네, 종 체기요. 응? You can say this. 롭종 체, studying.
롭종,
롭종 체기요. 응?
체키.
That's it.
오케이.
Or if you want to be more specific, 네, 별게 종기요.
분케, 주기.
Jong, that's it. Verbs, no problem. We will learn here again, okay? If you know
Thank you,
the
둘째.
structure now, that's good enough.
Yes, 둘째.
That's it. Yeah, di karire.
디,
Di karire.
하고 마성.
Okay, di kapare.
카파?
Kapar.
카파르.
Kapar.
모바일.
Vere, mobile kapare. Kapar di sure.
카파에 롭산 라레.
Kire, Lobsang Kire, you have to say.
롭산 기레.
That's it. Very good. Well. Oh, yeah. Very good. Tujiche,
둘째.
Myla, I will to a little bit look again in relative particle like delta and action doer particle like a cheta. How to
Okay.
do it, when to put it, where to put it. 하고성아, okay?
하고성.
That's it.
하고성.
Otherwise, very good. 배하고. That's it.
둘째.
도대체 따인다 야 되네. 니말라인다. 니말라 다시델렉.
다시질렉.
다시델렉
무슨 말?
니말라. 다다케랑 홍콩라 유베.
타타 nga 콩콩라 네.
배요.
타타 nga 콩콩라 네.
That's it. 다다케랑 가바르유.
타타 nga 베조캉 난라 유.
That's it. 베즈캉 낭라 유. 베즈캉 library. 하고서 bookstore. 알레 라스라소. 베즈캉 낭라 탭 망보 유르베.
Lare, Piazokang Nanla, Tepmanpo Yore.
Keranki, Chokpo, Tanda Kapar Yore.
Nye Chokpo, Tata Lekung La Yu.
Lekung la yu, or lekung la yore. Kongki, tata, Karicheki Yore.
Tata Kongi Leka Jeki Yore.
Achala Kongtsu, Karicheki Duk.
Chala Momoso Kidu.
Achala Kongtsu, or Achala
Achala Tsu Momosa Kidu.
Momoso Kiduk. Achala Tsu, She Tonki Duge. La 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 la.
Achala Tsu She Tongi Mindu.
That's it. Peyago.
Momosa Kidu. Momosa Kidu.
That's it. Nimala Yago Song Song, Peyago Song Song. Tujiche.
Tujina.
That's so. Yeah, Tini Jola in the Jola. Jola, try checking there. Jola, Tashi Delek.
다시 되네.
Ni Tatakiran Kapari.
자타, okay. 자, 자타, Michigan la, 유.
That's it. Tata Michigan la yu. Keranki Trokmo Tata Kapar Yure.
자타, 조금, Michigan la, 유.
That's Michigan la yu.
Okay.
Michigan la Yure. You can say.
유래. Okay.
Peyago, Peyago. Kapar di. Keranki.
Okay.
Kapar di.
카바르디.
Keranki. Depe.
나나 카바르 유베.
Marmade. Kapar di. Keranki repe. Kapar ki repe.
카바르디. 로 롭상나 카바르 유베.
Marmade. Kapar di. Lobsang ki re.
롭상키. Okay.
Lobsang ki re. We have to use
Re.
relative particle here.
Oh,
Lobsang
okay. So
Kong
it's 롭상키,
ki re. Keranki re. Right?
롭상키 카바르 키 유레 이베.
Mare.
I get them confused.
Lobsang ki kapar re. That's it. No problem.
롭상키 카바르
Re.
네.
Because
Okay.
you join from after 1 month, I can understand. Akosuna.
Yeah.
But maybe you will know this. Yeah.
Okay.
Kare chekiduk.
Yes, that one is Kongki ta tata ta tam tamo ki kiduk
Temo takidu. Temo takidu.
timo kaki. Okay, tamo kiduk.
Konki temo takidu. Or kongsu temo takidu. Akosuna.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. Akosung. Very good. When you try, I will know what we can do later. Akosuna. That's it. Jola,
So
tujiche.
more particle review, yes.
Yes, yes. You need, I
Okay.
think, you need a very quick revision. Agosma. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm? That's it. Tujiche.
TJJ.
That's it. Yeah, then Markla in the Markla. Markla, Tashidarek. Markla, you pay. Hmm?
Oh, Ginla, sorry, I have to just listen today. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. That's all. Okay. Then Apollina la in the Apollina la Tashidarek.
다시 되겠나?
Apollina la Kongsu 가르치기도.
공츠 데모다기 독
Kongsu Netflix takiduke.
공츠 넷플릭스 다기 민독
계란기 가르치기.
나 롭종 제기
Nye laba ngasa nye.
oh sorry yeah 니 롭종 제기
That's it. Fair. Oh yeah. Fair. I wanna say this. I know that even Tibetan say nga lobjong cheki yu. I understand this. Okay? This is not your fault because we Tibetan also speak like this. I'm not saying it's very bad, but this is the real situation. Agosuma, we going far, many Tibetan going far from reading, writing, and grammar, just speaking. And the speaking evolved and not properly according to the grammar. Agosuma. But we will learn this first, okay? So that's why I suggest you to use the particles properly now. Agosma nasangi. Like this. Oh, ni inda Apollina la kiranki chokmu tata 가르치기 yore.
니 롭모 하다 갈락속이 유
That's it. Kalaksoki yore or kalaksoki yore. Ki
갈락속이 유래
That's it. Well, Tujichi Apollina la. Very good.
이제 재능
Very good. Very good. Fair was That's it. Then, yeah, ni di inda Nicolela inda.
Alaginla.
Tashi derek Nicolela. Kiran tata kapar yu.
Dasidile data na campinanglayo.
That's it. Kongsure.
Con chinkenre.
Shinkenki 가르치기도.
Chinkengi
가르치기도.
chink chokiduk.
That's it. Shinkenki 신조기도. That's it. Fair. Oh, Shinkenki 창풍기도게.
Minduk. Chinkengi chan tungi minduk.
Yeah, that's all. 계란기 다다 가르치기 유.
Ne data byoke sumla byoke jangiyo.
That's 계란기 족부 다다 가르치기 유래.
Data ne drogpe lekunkla leka chegiore.
That's it. 빼하고 니콜레라 투지치. 응?
Diceginla.
나슬라소. 얘네야. 옌홍인다. 옌홍라. 옌홍라. 계란기 다다 칼락사기 유비.
约马嘞，他打我卡拉萨伊约马约萨伊梅，他打我不给写个月，
Peke shaky ye or peke jonky ye.
啊，不给中体月，
That's it, that's it. Ani kiranki amalaki tata karicheki yore.
他打我阿玛拉基，囊拉德莫达伊约嘞，
That's it. Hakozuma. Ani kirang tata kapar ye.
他打我台湾拉约，
Kapar di Marcelo ki repe.
马嘞，卡巴迪马塞罗基马嘞，卡巴迪克朗基嘞。
That's it. Kapar di Jo ki repe.
Mare, kaparti joki mare, par kaparti genlaki re.
That's it. Fail. Tujichi tezami yenhonga peyago sunso.
Tujeche,
Marcelola inda Marcelola. Marcelola keranki pu tata kapar yore.
Nepu tata Kampala yere.
Ale keranki pu tata diskola yo marpe.
Yomare tata Nepu diskola yomare.
Marcelola kapar di mai ki repe.
Mare kapardi maiki mare kapardi keran kire.
Keranki tata karicheki yo.
Tata nye peke John ki
Keranki pu or pu ki tata karicheki yore.
Nepu tata music John ki re.
That's it. You pu tata music junkie yore. That's it. Olas. Da inda. Kontsu karicheki do. Kontsu.
Konse Linkaton kiduk.
That's it. Kontsu linkaton kido. Fair. Kontsu mota tonki duge.
Miduk konse mototom ki miduk.
That's it. Kontsu mota tonki.
Konse linkaton kiduk.
That's it. Ne karicheki do.
Keranki kapaton kiduk.
That's it. Keranki kapatonki. Very good. Tujiche. Marcelo, very good. Peyago. We did very well. Very good. Lasso. Now I will go here and let's do a little bit revision. Akosuma. Younger took some junkie in.
Until now,
Yes, please.
I was going to the recording and then the words are there: happy, sad, headache, emotional. I couldn't get the words. Can you please write it down?
Write down what?
The words. The happy, the sad, headache, emotional that day. Somebody answered that.
No problem. Of course. Okay. So, yeah. I will write one of them right now. Then we will do revision. Okay? Kipo. That's it. Kipo.
What is hippo?
Kipoduk. Happy.
Happy. Okay.
For
Okay.
example, Dharamsala la Kipoduk.
Mm-hmm.
Delhi la Kipominduk. Like this.
Okay. Okay.
Delhi la
Got it.
Dharamsala la
Mm-hmm.
Kipoduk.
Mm. Okay. Like you said, Bhutan la Kipodo.
Or
Okay.
North Korea la Pe Kipoduk.
What is pay?
You're very happy. You can say Pe Kipoduk.
Pay. Okay. Mm.
That's it. No problem.
Pay. North Korea la pay. Okay. Mm.
North
I
Korea la
think,
Pe Kipoduk.
okay.
Or you
Maybe
can
Tenzin been there to see they're happy. Okay. Okay. Mare. Pay. Keep it. Happy do. Mare.
No, Kipominduk. Why you say Mare?
Kipo Mindu. Yeah. Duk. Yeah, we're using the Duk, so it's Mindu. Mm.
That's it. Very good.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we learned with the action word, we learned Tatawa, right? Tatawa.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Present tense. Riba Tatawa. Like this. So in Tatawa sentence, they end in these three types mostly. That's it. There are one, two more, which is same as kiyu or kiyure or kidu. Little bit different saying. No need to know now. These three are the main. Hmm? Like this. Kiyu, kiyure, kiduk. Like this. Hmm? Then we know kiyu and kiyure can be present tense, can also be general, right? General in mean every day I go to school, every day I eat, or he is doing good, hmm? Like this. So general like this, or present tense like nge tata chutunkiyo, nge tata pöke jonkiyo. 네 다다 목목 쏘기유. 네 다다 pizza 사기유. Like this. Or en clair ki 다다 벽에 종기유래. Like this. 하고스마 옌홍 ki 다다 자통기유래. 하고스마 like this. Tene ki dug. We use this when you are witnessing it and it's direct perception or experience. Oh, 공기 자통기도. If it's plural, oh, 공츠 자통기도. Let me write down. Okay, that's it. Kiyu, you can see. Nge, chu, tunkiyu. How goes one? Nge, chu, tunkiyu. Now you can change this to anything. Nge, chu, tunkiyu. Nge, kalak sakiyu. Nge, Netflix takiyu. Nge, kecha shakiyu. Oh, 다시 달래. 예보인데, 어다. 괜찮지. 봐봐. 응? 알겠어. 응. 예, 칼락 속이, 와, like this. Hmm? You can say any verb you are doing right now. 어보스나? Instead of 추퉁. 예, 차퉁기. You can change it to 차퉁. Whatever you want. 어보스나? Then, 공기 벽에 종기를. General knowledge. These both Kiyu and Kiyuri, general knowledge. Now Kiduk. Oh, moment. Right? Oh, Kongsu, Temota Kiduk. Okay? Oh yeah. That's it. Very good. Now you can change this to anything. Kongsu Temota Kiduk. Kongsu Kalak Sokiduk. Kongsu Shin Ju Kiduk. Shin Ju. How goes now? Hmm? Now, since you already know how to use la, when there is a direction, you can use la, right? Make this sentence little bit longer. Instead of nye cha thungi yu, now you can say nye Starbucks la. Starbucks la cha thungi yu. Like this. Nye Starbucks la cha thungi yu. Or nye Tashi Cafe la cha thungi yu. 공기 벽에 종기율이 공기 근빨라 벽에 종기율이 공기 근빨라 벽에 종기율이 anything 하고서나 or if you want to say 공기 다람살라라 벽에 종기율이 then you can say 공츠 시네마 홀라 때못다기도 you can add like this. Remember? Location, like where the action is doing. Remember? 콘수 시네마 홀라 때못다기도. 콩키 건발라 부익 정기도. Or 콩키 건발라 부익 정기 요래. If it's your general knowledge, you can say 기요래. If it's like a oh moment, then you can say 콩키 건발라 벽에 정기도. Like this. 하고송아. Okay? Then the question will be 해랑기 가르치기유. Like this. Okay, let me just make it clear here. right now. We can say kiyu because we are learning kiyu. Okay? Keranki karichi kiyu. Then you can say nge chatung kiyu. More longer nge Starbucks la chatung kiyu. Or nge nang la chatung kiyu. If you are having it at your home, nge nang la chatung kiyu. Like this. Akosuma? That's it. Then here, yes.
Do we use, okay, maybe this is a silly question, but do we use kiyu when we're talking about something we do ourselves
Yes.
and not kiduk because we don't see ourselves do the thing?
That's correct. But
Okay.
sometimes you are aware what is going on with you. At that
Okay.
time, you say kidu. But mostly when you are the action doer, then there is no awareness, Akosuma. When you are
Okay.
aware, you are not the doer, right?
Yeah.
That's it. But we don't know this. That's why we don't say kidu when you are the action doer. Nge. At that time, you say nge, nasa nge. Like this.
Okay.
But sometimes it happens. For example, if you are very happy or if you are sick, something
Okay.
unusual happens. Not the pattern, something unusual happens, then we notice it. We are aware at that time.
Oh,
Then you
okay.
can say kiduk for yourself. Akosuma, only that time. Otherwise,
Okay.
mostly kiyu kyure. Right?
Okay.
Okay, that's it. You might have studied like first person, second person. I would say that's not the right method, I would say. Akosuma.
Mm-hmm.
That's the English grammar. Akosuma.
Okay. Yeah.
Very good. Well, that's it. Now the keranki karicheki 예, 스타벅스 라 차통기유. 예, 곰데라 곰잡기유. Like this. 예, 사캉라 칼락사키유. 예, 지미 이탈리안 사캉라 피자 사키유. Anything. 하고서나 that's it. Then 콩키 가르치기유래. If something that's general knowledge for you, and you know he is doing that right now, then you don't have to see it. You know it. 하고서는 콩키 그게 좀 기여래. 콩키 다다 콩키 칼락소 기여래. Like this. Or 다다 콩키 레카체 기여래. Like this. 하고서는 콩키 가르체 기여래. That's it. Then I put this kongtsu for the kiduk because mostly it is very easy to witness what others do. Agosuma. That's it. Very easy to see what others doing, what others eat. Agosuma. That's it. For example, if I'm a Buddhist, I see a lot of mistakes in other religions. But when it comes to my religion, I will not see properly because of many different feelings. That's like this. Or we see others' mistake very clearly, but we don't see ourselves mistakes. That's it. Something like that. Akosuma. That's why Kongsu Temuta Kiduk. If it's something moment. Okay? The question will be Kongsu Kare Chekiduk. That's right now, I only teach you here Kiyu, Kiyuri, Kiduk. Now it could be Kiyu, Kiyuri, Kiduk. Iyu, Iyuri, Yiduk. Like this. But right now, just know these three. That's it. These three represent everyone. Okay? Then later, when I can describe, it's very easy for you. Right now, only these three. These three, karere, tataware, ditso. Tatawa.
Can you show us how to write them in the negative too? Like may?
Very, very good. Now, kiyu, kime. Like, kiyure, kiyu, mare.
Okay.
Kiduk, ki miduk.
Okay. Chi.
That's it. In time. Akosuma? Oh yeah. That's it. That's the negative. Then if someone asks you, Keranki karicheki you, now you know how to answer this roughly. Akosuma, all you need is the verb. Peke jong, kalaksa, sheton, motraton. Like this. Ni peke jong ki you. Akosuma? Okay? Oh yeah. Now let's hear. Peke jong. That's verb. Then we saw Xing Zhe. Like Xing Wudre Zhe Kat Riba. It's the same spelling as when Guruji, when Lama drew Chut ceremony. That's the same spelling. They cut. Cut through concepts. Like this. Zhe, Xing Zhe. Right now, they are cutting wood. Not the concept. So, Xing Zhe. That's it. Kongki Xing Zhe Kidu. Like this. Then we have Shetong. Ka, sha, sa, she. Ka, ta, narutong, atong. Shetong. La, 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 la. Like this. Shetong. Like this. Or, Kendrick Lamar ki, rap tong. Like yo, like this. Shetong.
Tenzin last Shetong is what? Singing.
Very.
Singing.
Very.
Or music or singing?
Sing.
Sing. To sing. Okay. Okay.
Now, if you say she Tongki Duk singing, she Tongki Yu singing, she Tongki
Okay.
Yuri singing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Depends on what situation. Then
Okay.
we have she Nyen. She
Mm-hmm.
Nyen. Nyen.
Uh,
Listen. Listen.
Shengen is what?
Nyen is listen. She is song. Now listening song. Listen
Oh,
song.
Shengen is to listen. Okay.
To listen to song.
Okay. To listen to music. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Mm.
And then the earlier word, Xing Sho.
Xing zhu.
Huh?
Xing zhu.
Cho. So the word cho is spelled this way, that we study cho.
Yes, that's it. You say
That's how
zhu,
we,
but that's zhu. Like this.
yeah. Uh-huh. So it's the same word.
Same word, same meaning. It's
Okay,
cutting.
same word, say to cut. Okay, 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 okay. Leadership.
Tene pyoke jong. 하고서 then easy ones, kalaksa, chutung, lekache, we already learned that.
Okay.
That's it.
Nghe thata, hướng ki, huy ki chung.
Ye tata pyoke jong kiyu. You say kiyu.
Kiyu. Yeah, kiyu.
하고서 you can see here. Nye Starbucks la chatung kiyu.
Okay, so,
Zoom
nghe
la.
huy ka yung, kiyu.
That's it. Nye pyoke jong kiyu. If you want to add more specific location, nye Zoom la pyoke jong kiyu.
Yeah. Okay, yes. Nghe zoom la, huy ka yung kiyu. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. Yes.
Now you practice like
Gela.
this. Okay? Nye
What
Zoom la
what
pyoke jong kiyu.
different
Nye she tong kiyu. Nye she nyen kiyu. Like this. Anything. Yes, please.
what difference between she and Lu?
Chikpare. Blue is more
Can
old dialect. Akosuma.
oh
Lucie. Sometimes they say Lucie. Same thing. Okay? Blue
What
is
is
they use together?
together is also same thing. Okay?
Lu she Lu. Yeah.
She,
Because I can remember from some prayer.
yes, yes. Lucie.
Yes.
Or you can just say Lutong. Or you can say Shetong. Or you can say Lushitong. That's same. Okay?
What is Lu?
Gela.
Low. Yes,
What
please.
is Lu? What is Lu?
Lu is she. She is Lu. That's it.
It's a song lah.
Acha, it's a song. Okay.
That's it. We have word like this. For example, we have word like din, sung, like din sung, catch. But din is also catch, sung is also catch in a single. Together also one meaning. So we have word like this. Okay? So right now we are not learning noun. We are learning verb. 하고서 백계종, 신주, 쉐동, 루쉐동, 쉐년. 응? 그봐. 다 되네 가리래. 탭록. 응? 탭록. read book. 그봐. or pecha록. read pecha. 응? 그봐. 응? Okay. So here I have written down the Thatawa and question, how to ask question for second person, how to ask third person question, how to ask Kiduk moment question, okay, and also answer. So in answer, I have written down only one of the verb. You can change that. If you don't like to write it down, just look at it and change the verb and try to say it in a different verb. If you like to write down, write down. That's it. I will not stop it. But don't learn too much to bore yourself. Okay? Close the book as soon as feeling little bored or tired. Do it again later. That's it. So that's it for today. Please
Pay.
practice
You
this.
hold on,
Okay.
Pay. Can you scroll it up? I want to write down, read book tape look and then
Yeah, same here.
Pecha.
Hmm,
Pecha.
Pecha.
Okay. Yeah, I got the word now for Pecha. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Pecha. Yeah. Pe and then cha. Okay.
That's it.
Oh, Pecha look. Okay.
Pecha look.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Tawa.
Did you say Pecha look? Okay. Reading the Pecha. Okay.
Now try to
Hakosong.
Ye Pecha Loki Yu. Konki Pecha Loki Yure. Oh, Konki Pecha Loki Duk. Ye Shin Chuki Yu. Konki Shin Chuki Yure. Oh, Konki Shin Chuki Duk. Like this. Same word, practice it in 3 different endings. That's it.
Hakosong.
And don't forget the question also. Keranki Karichiki Yu. Honki Karichiki Yure. Or Koniki Karichiki Duk. Like this. Okay? That's it. 10
Okay.
questions like that. Okay? That's all. Then some of us need revision. It's I mean it. We need revision. That's it. Now maybe I think Jola Thang, Myla, we both need revision. So I think we
Okay.
can join some of us who are doing revision. We can join us. On the side. You can join us, try to polish it, and then join with the group like this.
Okay.
Okay? That's it. Ne tujichi, Rashid Delek.
Okay.
Very good.
Tujeche. Tashi
Tujeche
Dele.
Kela.
Ela Dilung.
Lajilian Salmao. Punjanando.
Okay. That's it. That's it.
Bye-bye.
Rashid Delek, tujichi.
Good night, Ratri Sawat.
That's